If you want to use your camera filters on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all, we gotta open up our camera, make sure that it's in photo mode. Now tap on this 4 dots. And here you'll find this icon. You can also find it at the top right corner actually. So tap here, and here you'll see different filters. So you can tap on each one, you can edit them in the real time. So you'll see this panel with strength, color temperature, contrast, saturation, and film grain. Right, works good. Now tap. You can also press view original, so you can see the original image and the filters. And basically that's it. Also, you can press here and you can see a lot of different picture options which you can use as a filter as well, and this will be applied by an AI. And basically that's it. Here is our filtered images. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.